Bore da pawb. Welcome back to Welshbloke Walking, thanks for joining me. Today we're about 6 miles from Llangynog in a little village called Llanwddin, which means the Church of Saint Llanwddin. It's a tiny place and we're here because there's a nice little walk behind the camera there that takes us to a place called Llyn Efyrnwy, or as the tourists call it, Lake Vyrnwy. It's a big reservoir and it's very nice. Let me show you. Now this path is part of a longer path known as Glyndwr's Way. Glyndwr was an ancient Welsh hero, a warlord famous for fighting against the English oppressors. Now this path isn't hugely long, I'd say about 2 miles tops, but it should bring us out right at the top of the dam that creates the reservoir. Well, there's not much sun today, but it is nevertheless very hot. It's about 25 degrees, which for this neck of the woods is quite warm. And the flies are eating me to death. Just as the trail seems to be descending into wilderness, I'm surprised by the appearance of an old stone-built house. And what a pretty place it is. It also has a stunning view. And just there over the tree line hides the reservoir. I leave the property via a farm gate and enter into a strangely quiet woodland. Well, it started to rain now. Doesn't seem to be putting the horseflies off though, they're still taking huge munchies out of my legs. But never mind, I think we're nearly there. I can see some buildings. I'm guessing that these cottages, built from the same grey granite as the dam wall, were originally for maintenance and water treatment workers. Fancy living here yourself? Well, this substantial property is for sale. This building appears to have once been the community's post office and retains in its wall its original postbox, dating from the reign of King George. Looking across the road, we get our first view of the dam wall. Not far now. Here is the little visitor centre. And on the right, tucked into the trees, is the fascinating bird hide provided by the RSPB, along with a cafe and ice cream shop. At the top of the road is that once standard requirement of all old Welsh communities, a capel, the chapel. And here on our right, we get our first close-up view of the wall of the dam. Passage across the top of the dam is open to everyone. So, let's do it. So there you go, Llanwddin to Lake Vyrnwy. Hope you enjoyed it. I did, despite the rain and the horseflies eating chunks of me. If you did enjoy it, drop me a thumbs up and join me next time. Until then, Bwddwch yn ofalus, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you then. Hwyl fawr i chi.